How are we doing, guys? Let's go over Solana. I've been like so jacked today on the videos. I'm excited for 2022 of what's gonna come. Our account has literally, it was down, $92,000. We've gone up here about $4,000 in the last 48 hours. Like, guys, when this market starts taking off, I'm seeing this precursor of like, man, we're gonna do thousands of dollars maybe per day, and I'm like totally jacked for it. So let's get in here and let's start the day. I'm sorry, this is actually the last video of the day, but I've already done two videos. Watch the Dogecoin video, and then I also just came out with a video talking about Avalanche. That could possibly be our next win. Actually, and Matic might be our 104th win, because Avalanche will probably be, Matic might actually be our 103rd win, because we're so close to being in the profit there. Avalanche is probably going to be our 104th win, and then maybe Mana today is probably going to be our 105th win. So this is so awesome. So let's just dive in here. Okay. Let's do this. What I want to show you guys is that we are currently 102 for 102 wins on the channel. We have never lost a single crypto trade. I'm sorry, guys. Let me go over to Solana. That's what we're talking about today, Solana. I'll go over Mana in another video. I want to show you guys specifically on Solana. I'm getting a little bit nervous about something over here, so I'll show you guys. We are 102 for 102 wins on the channel here. Okay, we've never lost a trade. In the second half of this video, I will show you guys exactly how to trade our system, how to get in here. I'll show you guys the indicator sell we have going on right now, so you guys don't have to pay the full price. Everything you guys will see in the second half of the video. I want to spend this first half getting into the analysis. So I want to show those other coins to you guys to let you know which trades we're gonna probably win next. Avalanche, Mana, as well as Matic. Okay, let's take a look at Solana here. Solana here is actually making a run for it right now. Like, we're seeing this pump up here. The overall market's seeing that as well. But I want to put out some warning signs to you guys of why Solana could be seeing a pump up here and then actually a pretty nice move back down. So I'm going to cover that today so you guys are fully aware of that. Now, our break-even entry is at $180.84. We hit our first buy limit on December 3rd. Our second buy limit was hit over here on December 3rd as well. Within one single day, we had that crash. And our third buy limit got hit. Very, very favorable strategy. You guys will trade with us. A lot of people FOMO'd into this move up here. Not even going to lie. A lot of people FOMO'd into this, and you guys are probably down, normally right now about 30% in your accounts. Because we use different buy limits in here, we are only down about 14.74%. We have saved ourselves by literally doing nothing but sitting on the couch, watching your kids, playing golf, whatever. Obviously, we do stuff. But without us doing any work, we have saved ourselves 15% in our account just by letting buy limits get hit. That's incredible, guys. Seriously. Okay, watch this. What we're looking at here is a possible move back down. Now, why do I say that? Trend exhaustion is high. Well, money flow is high here as well. When this pushes up here, we are expecting to see moves back down. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high here, looking for this move back down in the market. Okay, we are seeing this held very true. I'm just going to show you just a couple more to show you guys the integrity of this. Guys, these indicators are the best to call the tops and the bottoms in crypto, without a doubt. Like, without a doubt. This is coming from someone, I've said this a lot, so I'm sorry if this is redundant. I have literally coded indicators for TradingView.com customers for 2 years ago, about 2.5 years ago now. It's how I created my living. And then I ended up I had my own business that I created indicators, and I even had the COO and the CMO of TradingView.com, like the international company TradingView.com, reach out to me and try to purchase the indicators for thousands of dollars. Okay, I respectfully said, look, I love you guys. TradingView is the best platform in the world, hands down, for charting. That's why I use it every single day. So I'm always going to be a fan, and I'm always going to advocate TradingView. But I said, you guys know I'm not going to do that. I want to keep it private to my members. So showing you guys like these indicators in here, we've taken so much time to program these. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know we just overhauled the well money flow and the trend exhaustion to be more accurate. And it has alerts on the trend exhaustion. Okay, I didn't actually plan on turning this into telling you guys so much about the indicators in my history there, but some of you guys who are brand new may just want to know that because it gives you guys more authority and more, it just lets you guys know a little bit more about what I do here. Okay, you guys can see when we get to these top red sections, this is where we're seeing moves back down in the market. We saw this move down here, move down here. Okay, now that you guys can see it, we're calling this when the well money flow is high and trend exhaustion is high, we're getting drops. Okay, this is literally how you guys make yourselves thousands of dollars by exiting in the profit, and how you save yourself from losing thousands of dollars when you see crashes in the market here. Okay. Knowing what we know, and we can come back here and I can show you all these times here where we saw a drop there, we saw this drop correlated to this drop in the market there. We see if we go straight up here, Looking at this drop in the market, we can see this drop in the market right there as well as right there, and it just keeps going time and time again if you guys look at this. Okay, I'm going to clear this off here for a second. The accuracy that we see with this is showing us here that well money flow is getting high, and we have actually now received a form of divergence. Let me show this to you clearly. Trend exhaustion in the top red section looking for the move down. We did exactly at that moment get a move back down here. This may be easier for me to show this to you guys. This is going to change here, but watch this drop. 4-hour time frame, we saw a drop here. If you go down to something like the 1-hour time frame, this drop that we saw in the market, sorry, let me get this a little bit bigger so you guys see this. This drop right here is what we saw in the 4-hour time frame. It even called it out accurately on the 1 hour. Now, I only use the 4-hour time frame just to keep things fully transparent. I don't use any other time frames. The best time frame, hands down, is 4-hour. But I wanted to show you guys, even when the trend exhaustion pushed up here, you guys were able to see it move back down. Very powerful. All right. Now, this has officially given us a high and another higher high on price action. This is giving us an overextension, a high and a higher high. What happened down here with the trend exhaustion, however? We pushed to the top section, and now we've seen a move back down here. Normally, for a trend continuation for a move up, you would see this pushed up higher, but this is not. This is actually starting to move down here. Now, well money flow is starting to move up here a little bit, so that might be why we're starting to move up, but this is at the top section. So here's how I open my charts in the morning. I say, is the trend exhaustion high? Is the well money flow high? Yes and yes. I'm looking for a drop. That's what I'm doing, guys. Every time. It's 75 to 80% accurate with these indicators. That is some of the greatest accuracy you guys will ever find. It is with these two looking for the drop, and we're already getting that this morning. A bull fake out to the upside coming down. Now, let's go over some more metrics here because I want to give you guys some more data so we can pull all this analysis together. Solana, you guys can click right here on the website. This is all available once you guys have our membership. I'll go over that later. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this will update. We are seeing that we have pushed into the fearful section for emotions for the market, and we're getting up here to anxious, and we might actually start pushing in the neutral. We are coming up from the low here, all right? But we're not out of the woods yet, guys. Hold off. Watch this. Long trades. This is what I was going to tell you guys. This is pretty drastic. Let me do something like this. Let me get this a little bit bigger so we can see this. I'm going to pull this up. What we are seeing here is long trades are completely moving out of the market on the blockchain over here for Bitfinex. Short trades are just increasing a tad bit here. When you guys look at this, this right here is a sign that people are not buying this pump. Clearly, this is not a biased perspective. This is not what I want it to do. It's not what you guys think what should happen. This is data you cannot manipulate. Long trades are moving out. Short trades are sustaining in the pump. Okay, so when you guys are looking at this, this is why I'm looking at the trend exhaustion here. I'm looking at the well money flow, and we're looking at this and saying, hey, this may actually start seeing a pretty nice move back down. So for everybody who got picked up on our buy limits down at this area for Solana, and you guys are currently in the profit, I want to let you guys know right now, this is a great time to look to take some gains. You are up about 11.13% at the moment. I would be taking 50% out of the market for those of you guys in a trade like this, and then taking your stop loss and moving it just above break even, probably right around this level here at about 143. All right. If this keeps going up, you can then move your stop loss up in your exchange, but get some money out of the market right now because this is looking like we are due for a move back down for Solana. This is undisputable evidence from a blockchain perspective, okay? Come down here and look at this. Long versus short trade risk. We're pushing up into the good short trade territory. This tells me that we're probably going to see a move down here fairly soon. All right, we are getting close to this structure here, which I'm going to move down here to show us on the support and resistance here, but I want to do this real quick. Well, institutional smart money have come out, and we saw a big metric bar to the downside for short trades. Again, another heads up, everybody. We could be moving down. If you are in profitable trades, I would be taking an exit right now. Like if I was literally down here with you guys, if this was our entry and we were in the profit, without a doubt, I would be calling 50% exit this morning right now and moving the stop loss to right about this 145 level, and then I'd be moving the stop loss up. That's what I'm recommending you guys do, okay? We're going to wait till we get back in the profit up here, which is not going to take long, in my personal opinion, because I'm in this trade with you guys. Once we get into the profit, we're going to call an exit on Telegram. But until we call an exit there, use the indicators to call these exits. That's why they're so powerful. Coming down here, support and resistance prices. We can see here that the next greatest resistance is at 167 and right around 180. Okay, 167, let's take a look at this. 167 puts us at this structure right here. That is where we could possibly head up to. Now, if the well money flow starts moving down like this, trend exhaustion starts moving down, this is going to cause a lot of bearish pressure, showing us this is where the market is trying to go when the market moves up. Let me prove this to you guys so you guys can see this and be prepared for it. This is how you can save yourself thousands. And we don't short, but if you decide to short, guys, this is the #1 strategy to make money in shorting. Guarantee you guys. When you get a high and another higher high in the market and you look straight down, what is happening with the flow of the money? We have a high and we come over here and we look straight down and we have a low, a high and a lower high. Money's flowing out of the market, trend exhaustion is super high, and the price structure tried to move up. Let me say this again. This is how you get incredible short trades. Price structure creates a high and another high, but the well money flow is moving out of the market. If the trend exhaustion does the same thing or it's high as well, you need to be looking for that market to drop. We do not take short trades on this channel. We only go long. We've won 102 for 102 wins. But if you do trade short, this is the most powerful setup to look for a drop back down in the market. Absolutely the most powerful. Look at this over here. A high and another high in price action. Look straight down. Well, money flow high. What happened over here? Money is flowing directly out of the market, moving out. What happened after that? Not even hardly a move up, a crash. This is a crash. This is a crash in the market. How do you predict that? With the price versus well money flow, which is this is the last couple weeks, the last days, you guys can get this indicator. We are upping the price of the price versus well money flow at the end of this month. Please get this before the end because you guys are not going to be able to get it cheaper than this ever again. And this is how we're able to call these drops. And these two indicators down here, the bundle pack, is what we use to get 102 for 102 wins since March of last year. Incredible. And probably going to hit 103, 104, 105 very soon with the trades I just showed you guys. All right. Dollar cost average entries. Incredible entry that came out here. Incredible entry here. Incredible entry here. Incredible entry here. And as well as over here. Okay. So when you guys are looking at this, we want to, this is diamond hand holders. $10,000 is an example I use. $1,000 every time you get a green line. Great. Hold for the long term. This will guarantee you guys get into lower points. It's not going to guarantee higher points. That's what the exit point is. So literally, you guys are like, okay, I got in down here. I can get out here. This is what's going to help you guys call exits in the market before the drops happen. But here's another sign that I need to show you guys. The exit point is calling this out. This happened yesterday. They're going to update this morning, literally 10 minutes. Because I'm sorry, they literally like 1 minute here. We'll look at the metrics, see if they're updated. But you guys need to watch this when this updates today. This is looking for an exit. This called the drop before here. It called the drop there. It also called the drop there, and it called some drops over here, as well as over here. So watch for this move down on Solana. I don't think this is going to keep pumping up as fast as some people think. All right, let me get you guys into our next trades now so you can start trading with us. Cheapest membership you'll ever get. Don't even think about passing this up, guys. This is what's going to help you be profitable in trading. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube for crypto trades. We're doing very well, and I'm proud of that. Not to be cocky at all. Okay. Here's the deal. $49 a month is going to give you guys access into everything. All the metrics as well as all of the live trades, okay? What I want you guys to do is go look at all the metrics every day, but the live trades are where we take all of our trades and is where I take all of my trades as well. So come over here. Once you guys are signed up, come over here, click this, and I want you guys to scroll down. We're talking about Solana today, so you want to come over here and click into here to view the current buy limits and trade setup for Solana. What you guys can do over here is use Bitcoin for the example on this video. All right. Look in Solana for the updated ones. I'm going to keep it private because it's for our paid subscribers, so I'll show you guys how to trade this strategy on Bitcoin. Every one of our charts looks the exact same. Price structure in white, 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit, and I'll show you guys how to do the exits here with the indicators. Very fast. What you guys are going to do is take the amount you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. So 250 at this level, 250, 250, and 250. This is with 1,000. Obviously, if you guys have more, just split it into 4 and put it at each buy limit. Okay. So buy limits being hit down here. Once we hit a first buy limit, and you want to set them all at the same time, once the first buy limit is hit, I then want you guys to set up a sell limit in your exchange for 100%. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up the sell limit shown in green in your exchange for 100%. If you have any questions about this, watch this video down here. Like if you guys just want to kick it today, chill, watch a video, this is the one you want to watch. I will show you guys how to use this strategy. I'll show you how to set up buy limits. I'll show you how to set up sell limits, how to set up market orders, how to set up stop losses in Coinbase Pro, the biggest exchange in the US. I show that all to you guys in this video. Do not miss watching that video. It is super good. Okay, not to pat myself on the back, but it's like, if you want to trade with us and you want to know everything possible for our strategy of how we are never losing trades, watch this video. It's underneath live trades. Come over here, click on Bitcoin or any of our trades, and then you actually see it down here. Okay, here's the deal with the Telegram channel. There's a lot of people out there that are like, okay, we're calling exits. You guys get Telegram signals or whatever. I'm literally going to be your guys' coach over here in Telegram and show you guys what I'm looking at, and the exact exits that I make, you guys are going to be able to take as well. And we're giving you guys more analysis on top of this when post comes out. So you want to sign in Telegram on your phone or computer first, and then click the Telegram link right here. That will give you guys access into the Telegram channel. Basically, make sure you guys are set up for that today. The last part of this is the indicators. You guys can click right here. You will also see the sell going on in the description. You guys right now, the sell, you guys are going to get 81% off all of our indicators. Every single one of them. Do not pass this up. This is the absolute best deal you guys will ever end up getting on this indicator bundle pack. We are going to be looking to up the price of the bundle pack this year. At the end of this month, you guys have heard me talk about this a lot. The price of the price versus well money flow is going up. You will never be able to get this indicator this cheap ever again. Ever again, guys, seriously. The trend dashboard and the trend exhaustion, the three that we use on our charts every day for analysis as well as exits, these are going to be going up as well in the following months. I'm letting you guys know everything on our entire program, our entire system is going up. You are lucky if you're seeing this video right now. Get in while everything's cheaper. Okay, we are going to be upping the price of the membership. We're going to be upping the price of the indicators. So make sure you guys do this. At minimum, you want these three indicators. If you click on this link right here, make sure you guys use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. Okay, if you want them individually. The bundle pack, however, is going to basically be the same cost as these three, and you're going to actually save 21% off on top of these indicators, even with the coupon code. So you're going to overpay about 21%. The reason I'm saying this is if you guys get these, because I'm going to be using the other indicators. The bundle pack actually comes with 9 indicators total. So instead of just getting these 3, you're getting 6 more for a total of 9. And I will be using some of these other indicators in probably the second half of this year, and maybe soon before that, to show you guys how we can use these to trade the markets a little bit better. We actually have Forex indicators as well, which are some of the best in the whole market. We have 2 Forex indicators that have never been able to be coded on TradingView before. Literally, PineScript 4 came out. I've never seen anyone code this before, so I got together with a team, and I'm like, we're going to code these because no one has them. We have ridiculously awesome Forex position mockup indicators. We also have a London breakout indicator that has never been coded before ever. London breakout, I know this is, I'm sorry guys, real quick, 10 seconds. If you guys trade crypto, we have a London breakout indicator that's never been coded before that teaches you guys how to trade the London breakout. It's one of the most profitable strategies to trade Forex. I'm never going to cover that on this channel. We are a crypto channel, but I wanted to give you guys more value, not just give you what we're using for crypto to never lose trades, but also give you guys stuff that you can use on stocks. You can use all these on stocks, on crypto, on Forex, on oil, the S&P, options, anything you want, these will work on them. Okay, I've said enough there. Get the bundle pack. It's a one-time purchase. You will never have to pay monthly for this. It is just a one-time purchase, and that's it. And you get the source code as well. So make sure you guys do that. All right, Solana, we got an alert, guys. Okay, this is what happened. This literally just happened here. If you guys saw that come up here, we got an alert on Solana saying that the red bar ended up pushing up here. So we ended up just getting a push up here, and then it came back down, obviously, before I've been spending the time going over the indicators and such, but this pushed up in the top right section is now moving back down. We are seeing this fluctuate. We can see that the price has moved up since I moved it down just, probably 5 minutes ago. So that gave us an alert to say, hey, this is getting a little bit higher. I would be watching a drop on Solana. A blockchain perspective, long trades are heading out. Trend exhaustion is high, as well as the well money flow is high here. This is due for a drop back down. If you guys are in the profit, I would be looking to take 50% out and again, move that stop loss to about 145 and then move it up if we keep heading up. But watch this, guys. Get the indicators before they go up in price. Snag those today. Get into the membership before that goes up. And guys, just get into some trades with us underneath the live trades here. I'm not your financial advisor, but we are doing so well over here, and get into the Telegram channel where I'm showing you guys how to actually exit all these trades and giving you guys trade updates. All right, we're going to try to go 103 for 103. So our 103rd trade is most likely going to be on Matic because we're super close to winning that trade. Our 104th trade is probably going to be on Mana. Our 105th trade will probably be on AVAX because we're super close to that entry. And then you guys were looking at Solana over here. We're not actually too far away from there as well, and the other coins. Guys, this market turns around. We're going to start winning trades super fast. So make sure you guys are set up with us so you can win these trades with us in the market. We are averaging right now between 10 to 15% per trade. 10 to 15. We're not scalping this market. All these trades haven't been just these 1 to 2%. We've taken 82% profit, 82 on Cardano, 88. We've taken a 32% profit on Bitcoin. We've taken multiple 24 and 26% profits on Solana as well as Matic. You guys have seen that if you've been around with us. So get everything you need in the description, set it up, and starting tomorrow, start watching our YouTube videos, get in the Telegram channel, and literally starting tomorrow morning, starting today, you can be part of a family that's trading crypto. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. We're very humbled by that, and I will teach you guys how to trade these markets profitably, and I'm with you trading $100,000 of my own cash here that you guys don't have to feel like you're on your own. I'm with you, and I will keep you solid in this market. Set everything up today, join our family, start trading with us, stay confident, get some more wins in your portfolio, and let's see what kind of cash we can make for the rest of the week in the month of January. I'll see you guys later. Watch out for the next wins. Get into the Telegram channel, get the indicators membership, and let's make some money, guys. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.